Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Art with Kiran Salman. I am back again with another interesting art lesson, forms and patterns. In this lesson, we will use these art elements: lines, shapes, colors, textures, and most important is forms. Required materials for this lesson are drawing sheets, black markers thick and thin, pencil and scale. Select any small 3D object for drawing. That could be anything you can draw with your imagination, or you can place in front of you and observe it from various angles and draw it. You need to draw same objects 5 to 6 times all over your drawing sheet from different angles and in different sizes. You can also make your composition more interesting by enlarging or compressing the size of your object. Remember, use very light tone of your pencil while you are drawing. Once you finish your pencil drawing, outline it with black marker. Earlier, I told you that most important element of art in this lesson is form. Form is one of the art element, which means 3D object. Even in drawing, if we make an object with length, width and depth considered as a form. Like in this work, my object key is a form. Once your object is drawn all around your sheet, draw some random lines connected from one drawn object to another in the background to make small sections. There is no such set rule for making these sections. You can draw it according to your choice. Now fill different patterns in each section. In art, pattern is a design in which lines, shapes, colors are repeated. Like I am making patterns of lines, shapes and even with black and white color. You can use thick marker for filling color or making thick lines. Leave your form blank and fill your negative space or background with interesting patterns. This lesson will help you to improve your lines and drawing skills. Here is another example in which I selected paper cup as a form and the white background with vertical and horizontal lines and filled different patterns in each section. If you like this video, please write it in comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing art lessons. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.